Yes, hello everyone. Welcome again, and today I will be showing you on how you can create a conditional field. The conditional field looks like this. It appears when certain conditions are met. For instance, if I select other, it will appear, and then it allows you to type in anything that you want, anything. But if I select the other type, it won't appear. So this is very useful for field data collection, and it is used when you are using QGIS data collection forms in applications like Mergin Maps, QField, Input App, or any other forms that use the standardized forms from QGIS. So how can you achieve this? Let me show you quickly on how you can do it. I'm going to create my new layer. I go to the layers and then I go to create a new layer. You do follow in the normal ways on how you create in your layers. For instance, I call it points and then I save. And then for instance, the one for my categories, and then I simply add in the field that I want. It is the text format. I add in the maximum length that I want to appear, and then I add it on the field list. And then here I choose the geometry type. Off I go. I leave everything as. So you see it has appeared on my QGIS. If I come to the categories, I need to have the value map, or could use the value relation on the value map. You just add in your values or your options. For instance, option 1 for the value could be the code. Let's assume it's OPT1 for option 1. And then you go OPT2 for option number 2, OPT3 for option number 3, and then I have the other. If I say apply OK, and when I start editing, if I add in the new point, I choose in the other, it won't show anything. So I want, when I select the other, it should pop up another field for me to add in another type that I didn't select earlier. So how do I achieve that? You need to add in a new column for that. So you go again to the fields, attribute forms, to the fields, and then you add in the new field called the other option. You can name it the way you want it, but this is an example other option. And then it is in the text format. The maximum length is 255. You can choose any according to the types of data collection that you have. And then you say, okay, I have other option added here. If I say apply, and if I come again to the attribute forms, I have it here. I go to the drag and drop design. I have it here. So I need to add also my other categories down here. So what I need to do is to define the condition or the visibility option for this. What I need to do is to create a new group or new tab for that, and then I can name it in app, for instance, option, and then I'm use the group box, and then okay, and then you take the other option field and then add it to the to your field, and then After that, you come to define the visibility condition expression, check in the visibility condition, and then you come up here on the expression, fields and values. You come on the categories equals to all unique values are the option. Say OK, and then I say apply. OK. So if I come here and then I say other option, it will appear, and then I can just type in ha 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 ha, hey 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 hey, and I say OK. If I come to my attribute table, oh sorry, if I come to the attribute table, open the attribute table, I add the categories, others, and then so for the rest, if I chosen the option 3, it won't show me the other option. Then I say OK. So and again I come to the attribute table. You see that's how it goes. So thank you for watching, and see you to the next tutorial. If you like my videos, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for those who might find this video useful. See you next time. Bye.